Hey, welcome back to our kitchen. What do we have here? Some Cheesecake Factory at home. Original cheesecake, yes way. 8 pre-sliced servings. Ah man, I bet you I could eat this whole thing by myself, but it is 2 pounds. I'm gonna gain at least 2 pounds just looking at it. Let's check it out. It's got the famous creamy cheesecake with graham cracker crust. Here's the ingredients. Y'all can pause for that if you want to check it out. Make your own. Just kidding. Here's your nutrition facts. No story. Let's see if there's anything on the back of it. Oh, there's their story. Everybody's got a story. What's yours? Alright, let's get this open. We'll be right back. So here's what it looks like. We've got ourselves these frozen slices here. Can't wait to separate them. Yeah, none for you, Leo. Hey, good boy. None for you. You can't have cheesecake, but you can watch us. Ooh. Alright, we're going to get this plated. He really wants cheesecake. He'll comfort himself with water. Poor little guy. Alright, so this little thing here comes off kind of like a Burger King crown would. See there? It's got the little slots, so we'll put that back together. And here's how it looks plated. Now, the hubby likes it frozen, so we're going to eat it frozen. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Thanks so much for watching. You guys should give this a try. I'm telling you, it's good.
We already had some.
Yeah, we've had it before, so we know. Take care, and we hope to see y'all again. Remember, smash that like button if you like it. Or not. But yeah, hope to see y'all again. Bye.